Alright guys, how you doing? In this video, we're going to be having a quick look at the brand new DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo. I've had a few comments in some of my other unboxing videos and review videos that I'm not that professional. So I've bought myself a professional lamp, a professional white wall, a professional unboxing table, a professional camera, professional microphone, you name it, we're all professional. I've even got the professional hair. Alright, maybe not the hair, but alright, let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to start off with some specifications, because that's what all the other professional YouTubers do. Now, the price for the normal is about £770. Probably cheaper in America because you don't get ripped off with a 20% sales tax like we do over here. So I've got the Fly More combo. So what that means is this is what you get with the standard kit, all that gizmos, and with the Fly More you get pretty much the extra batteries, charge harness, thingy-majig, extra carry case, blah-de-blah. And I kind of wish I would have went for this one because you get the goggles chucked in as well, but I didn't realise at the time that they even had that available. Alright, so looking at some specifications, we have got a 3-axis gimbal. I think the Mavic Spark, or whatever it was called, the Spark thingy-majig, that only had a 2-axis gimbal. We've got a 32 MP Speriv blah 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 blah, so that, whatever that is. We've got 4K at 100 megabits per second, and that is actually an improvement over the old Mavic, which I think was only about 60. So pretty much what that means is something to do with compression. I'm not really that much of an expert, but pretty much when you do fast pans or you're quickly flying the drone, and if you've got a low megabit per second, then it can sort of pixelate up. So the higher this number, the more clear your image is going to be when you're sort of doing faster shots. That's kind of the gist that I get of it anyway. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, guys! Then we've got slow motion video, 120 frames per second at 1080p. We've got HDR, which makes it look like that, which is apparently better than that. We've got 8 gigabytes of internal storage, but we've still got space for an additional SD card slot. And that, guys, is actually pretty handy, because I've gone out before and forgotten my SD card, and then I couldn't film. But at least this way, I still can. So that's pretty good. It looks good. It's 3D foldable, the controller's foldable, it's got active track, which means it follows you, or other people. Probably shouldn't do that. It does quick shots like this, asteroid, boomerang, smart capturing, where you can do like hand gestures and all that kind of stuff, get it to follow you. And runtime, they reckon 21 minutes. I reckon it's probably less. It normally is a little bit less. So we're probably talking 5 to 10 minute less flight time than the old Mavic. But it makes up for it with a little bit more top speed, which should also, in theory, make it better in wind. But I'll try that on another sort of test. We've got enhanced Wi-Fi video transmission, whatever that means, goggles, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so here it is, guys. It got a little bit trashed in the post, so hopefully the contents inside are not too bad. Hold on, that doesn't look very professional, does it? There we go. Alright guys, does this look professional or what? So I've even got my professional knife, and we're gonna really nicely and carefully unwrap this delicate masterpiece. Yeah, so that must be the drone. That must be, I don't know, maybe the drone. Paperwork, prop guards, I don't think we'll be using those. Ha! Box of nothing. I'm guessing, well that's heavy, I'm guessing the drone's going to be in here, and the batteries and the controller and everything's going to be in here. Let's have a look. Hey, there it is. Oh, guys, that's tiny. Check it out. That is so small. Look, there's my hand. That is, I know it was small, but I didn't realise it was that small. That's what she said. It's actually in my pocket. Look, it's fully and utterly in there. Look, we're fully in there, guys. Not just a little bit like the other one, but fully. That's what she said. All right, what we got in here? Another box. Charger, probably. Battery. Another battery. Controller. Charger. Cable. Oh, we get a lot of spare propellers. Look, 2 complete sets of spare propellers. Some sort of a charge lead. Bum sticks. USB charger, maybe. More wires. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so do you just fold it out like the old one? Well, the props are fixed. They don't fold like the old Mavic. I'm not sure if these have to fold out in any sort of special... Oh. Uh-oh, look. I see damage already, guys. Look. Did I do that when I put it in my pocket? Oh, and it's bitten me. It's bitten me already, look. Ah, so that goes like that, like that. I'm liking that. Do you know what I like about that, guys? That it's nice and small, fits in your pocket, and it looks like a toy. I mean, you can play with this any way you like, pretty much. And I don't think anyone's going to give you too much grief, because it just looks like a little kid's toy. I might even put like a little Tommy sticker or something on there. Remove. I'm completely... First time I've ever seen one of these on camera, guys. Nothing's pre-staged. Nothing's pre-scripted. Check that out. I mean, that is supposed to be better quality than the old Mavic, and it's so much smaller. So that slides in like that. Oh, I like that. That's so much better than the old one. You just clip these 2 bits here and just slide it forward. I'm liking that, guys. That is good. So I'm never really a fan. On the Phantom 4, it was awful. That big contraption that went underneath. I was always scared of breaking it every time. On the Mavic Pro, it had that dodgy little thing that goes inside. I didn't like that, so I bought another one off of Amazon that sort of solved that. But that's definitely got to be the best one so far. I mean, I'm not scared to put that on. So you've got to fold these out. And she's good to go, I think. That bent propeller seems to have straightened itself out. So, the battery by the looks of it is underneath. And... yes. Alright, next, controller. So you've got these sticks there, and then they screw on like that. That's cool. They're pretty much the same as the old Mavic Pro transmitter, but you don't get that screen on there. So then my phone, let me just go and grab that. This is a Galaxy S7, and that fitted perfectly into my old one. And it goes good into there as well. I've probably got to change this lead here, though. I'll tell you one thing I wasn't a fan of, was this wire here being sort of incorporated onto like a little slider that goes in there. Because it made attaching the phone really, really difficult. So what I did... I took that bit out and I just plugged this bit in manually. It seemed to make it a lot easier. So this must be an iPhone connector. It's going to be one of these. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to line that plug, what's attached there, up with the phone. And I found that to be a bit of a nuisance because it just doesn't... It's just a lot of messing about. You've got to try and line it all up like that. And it feels like you're going to break it because you've got to... I don't know, it just doesn't feel... I just don't feel comfortable doing it, to be honest. So I'll find it easier just to take this bit here out. Don't bother with that bit. And then when you want to use it, you just get your phone, plug it in, unlock it, and you're good to go. And if you ever got to pull it out, it's just easier. If you've got to get it there to do your fingerprint, or you want to do a quick text or something, you haven't got to keep muscling it out. So definitely a lot easier like that. Right, let's see if it will power on. I've not charged it yet. This is just straight, fresh out the packet. So let's put this on first. I've not downloaded any software because I've already got the DJI Go app on here. Right, and then this... got the on button on the battery. Is it gonna... Maybe it needs charging. Alright, so what we're going to do, guys, I'm going to stick it on charge for a bit. and then I'll put you back on. So let's, has it got a multiple charging bank like the other one has? So this is obviously going to charge one battery like that, I'm guessing. Yes. But can we charge multiple batteries at the same time like we could with the other one? Alright guys, well anyway, I'm going to stick this on charge, and then once it's all charged up, I'll put you back on. Alright, so while that's charging up, let's do a quick size comparison. So this is the older Mavic Pro, and here's the brand new Mavic Air. And it was quite a difference, guys. The Mavic Air really is a lot smaller, it's a lot less bulky. Hold on, let's put this camera back a bit so you can see what's going on. So it's sort of smaller in every dimension. I mean, that weighs about the same, I guess. And then if we weigh them, we've got the Mavic Air coming in at 438 grams. That's including a battery. And the Mavic Pro... Oh, battery's low. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. And the Mavic Pro coming in at 751 grams. So, yeah, slight difference there, guys. Quite, you know, about 300 gram difference. Alright, so we're all charged up now. Not all charged up, because I got impatient to wait in, but we're nearly charged. Enough to get it into a little test flight anyway. Alright. Hey. Alright, hold on guys, I'm going to turn you off for a minute, because I've got to do some setting up, so I'm going to follow the instructions. I'm not going to do that on camera because it's obviously going to be boring, so I'll put you back on in a minute when I can fly it. Alright, so I've just linked it all. I think it's ready to go, guys. I'm not fully sure, but I hope so. I don't want tutorial, we'll do that later. I just want to fly it. Ignore. I just want to fly it. What quiz? DJI is committed to safety and developing a quick quiz. Ah, I don't do quizzes. Alright, let's do it anyway. Alright, question 1. What must you do before you fly, or I would say probably B? How far away can you fly? Well, I think it's supposed to be how far you can see. Alright, wish me luck, guys. Supposed to be 100 metres away from buildings, but it doesn't say anything about being in a building. I mean, it's stable, look. I'm not touching it. It's definitely stable. I mean, it sounds a lot more scary than what I thought it was going to sound. Apparently it's got obstacle avoidance front and rear. Good. Not sideways it hasn't. Alright, so it's got obstacle avoidance front and rear, but not to the side. Alright, well that's stable, guys. I'm impressed. For indoors, there's no GPS. That's just relying on, I don't know, the floor, I guess, with these little sensors under here. By the way, this is the size comparison of when they're both folded out. So as you can see, it definitely looks a lot more toy-like, a lot less likely for anyone to tell you off when you're playing with this one. Also, I figured out while the thing was charging that this is actually a charging hub. So that must plug into there. Yes, guys, you learn something every day. So that plugs into there, and then you can, by the looks of it, I'm not sure if it will charge all 4 batteries at the same time, or if it'll do them one at a time like it did on the old one. I'm not sure. Yeah, battery. So, portability-wise, everything fits into this packet here, like everything. Like even all these other spare parts I've got laying here, all your prop guards, your charger, your hub, the whole lot, everything will fit into this one compartment here. So if you compare that to the Mavic Pro box packet, carry case, it's not actually that much smaller if you look at it. I mean, it's a little bit taller, not quite as wide, and thickness-wise, there's a little bit of extra thickness on the Mavic Pro one. But you've got to bear in mind, guys, that in here are only 3 batteries, the actual drone itself, and the controller. Whilst in here, it's absolutely everything. So I want to do a quick weight comparison because to make it a fair test, I've left all the charger and all the spares and all the accessories, everything out of this thing. All I've got in here is the drone, the controller, and 3 batteries. So you've got the drone there, the battery inside it, under this little flap thing here, 2 more batteries, controller there, and same in here. So we've got the 2 batteries, drone, battery inside the drone, and the controller. So we're coming in at, Mavic Pro weighs nearly 2 kilos. And then if we chuck this other one on there, we're coming in at nearly 1.5 kilos. So we're saving about half a kilo, not as much as I expected, not as much as I hoped. The other thing that you can do is put the drone into this case here. So does that sit in like that? So now we can get rid of that, and the controller, because these sticks come off, it's sort of, you can transport it like that and not really worry about breaking it. I mean, it's not going to fit into the same one, but you can quite easily just transport it like this. And now, if you compare this now to the Mavic, it is quite a lot smaller. If you go like this, and weight-wise, we are coming in at under 1 kilo, 880 grams. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Was it professional? Probably not. Did you get any useful information out of it? I hope so. Was it entertaining? I don't know, hopefully it was. Alright guys, if you did like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. Do you want more of these kind of unboxing videos, or shall I just stick more to the regular bashing and fixing and all that kind of stuff? Alright guys, see you soon!